Now, let us discuss a little bit about chapter Air. Significance of air. Air is one of the natural resources. Earth is surrounded by many layers of air. This is called atmosphere. In atmosphere, there are many layers. Those layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, and exosphere. Troposphere extends from 8 to 15 kilometers from the surface of the earth. It extends to 8 to 15 kilometers from the surface of the earth. Stratosphere, it extends up to 50 kilometers from the surface of the earth. Like that, mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, exosphere continues. When the radio is on, the waves go to ionosphere and then they coordinate and then they come as sound signals to us. And satellites travel in exosphere. Let us discuss the components of air. The air is the mixture of many gases. It is made up of 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 0.96% of dust particles, noble gases, and water vapor, 0.04% of carbon dioxide, that is CO2. And nitrogen is about maximum content, that is 78%. And carbon dioxide is about the least content, 0.04%. And the air that we breathe in, that is oxygen, is 21%. Let us discuss the properties of air. Before we discuss about the properties of air, let us do an experiment about one of the properties. That property is air occupies space. The experiment goes like this. Take a beaker and fill it with water. Now take a glass tumbler and put a piece of paper, but don't fill the tumbler with water. Invert the tumbler and dip the tumbler inside the water, keeping it inverted. Now again, take out the tumbler in the same way and see if the paper is wet. The paper will not be wet because there is air inside the tumbler. Now dip the tumbler inverted inside the water and now you straighten the tumbler inside the water. And you will see the air comes out as bubbles and water is filled inside the tumbler. This shows air occupies space. Properties of air. Here you are seeing a fire is burning. This shows to fire to burn, it needs air. So air helps things to burn. And here is the experiment what we discussed now, which shows air occupies space. So another property of air is air occupies space. Here you are seeing a picture of a balloon containing more air, weighing more. So this shows air has weight. Properties of air. Another property is air has pressure. Here you are seeing a container, a bottle filled with water, and that is heated, and the water is converted into steam. And when it is converted into steam, the tin can expands more, and the steam is stored inside the bottle. When the cold water is put on the bottle, the steam again gets converted into water, the air contracts, and the pressure decreases. This shows air has pressure. Another property is air is affected by temperature. See here, here is a place where there is the temperature is 45 degrees Celsius, where air is blowing in a high speed. Density of air is very less. And here you can see a place where there is moderate temperature, that is 21 degrees Celsius, where a yacht or a boat is traveling with the help of air. And here you can see a place where 1 degree Celsius, minus 1 degree Celsius, where the blowing of air is very less, the density of air is very more. And another property of air is air can be compressed. Here you can see a bottle containing a gas, and it is being compressed. But the volume is changing, but there is no variation in the volume of the beaker or the size of the beaker. Let us see and discuss and get familiar with the concept called air pollution. Here you can see a large amount of gases and effluents released into air by the industries. You can observe the air pollution that is going on. The air is getting contaminated. Here you can see a nuclear reactor which is throwing out harmful gases very much into the air, and how it is getting polluted, how the air is getting polluted. So what is air pollution? Mixing chemicals, dust, microorganisms which are harmful to man and other organisms into the air is called air pollution.